Hi guys! Today is December 1 and I'm starting vlogmas. I haven't vlogged in a while, but not like the daily vlogmas. I'll just like siguro weekly. I think I vlogged through December for vlogmas, but I didn't get to edit it and post it. So right now when I'm editing this, Christmas is done. So I guess I'll just be editing it and posting like a series of vlogs during December, which is vlogmas. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Now I'm gonna vlog. I'm gonna go to Makati and study and meet my mom and sundo her, and we're gonna eat. So guys, we're now in Makati. It's 2:14. Umalis kami mga 12:30 doon. Actually, kaya pa kami nandito pero ang tagal ng parking kasi sobrang daming tao kasi it's the holidays. Pero yeah, we're on our way to eat now sa Chocolateria in Greenbelt. So sila mama nasa Chocolateria na and they ordered some stuff. Then when we arrived, we ordered dent. While we're waiting, we went to Fully Booked kasi I wanted to check if there were Smisky Hippers. And guess what? They have. Every time may malapit na Fully Booked, I check for Smisky Hippers because I really want. There's so long. Then ang dami ng stocks, I was like, I didn't know what to choose. Nagjo-joke si Kuya and si Ate Alex na nilibre daw nila ako ng blind box yun, yung mga binili ko. Nung magbabayad na, nagbigay sila ng 1,200. Tapos yung 1,000 galing kay Ate Alex. Siyempre naiya ako, sabi ko bakit galing sa kanya? Sa'yo ako nagpapalibre. Binayad ko naman, sabi ko sige babayaran ko si Ate Alex. So guys, I'm so happy because I was able to buy. I've been looking for this the whole time. Sobrang rami pa ng stocks niya. Sakto talaga gagi. Tapos ayun, nalibre nila ako. Pero binayaran ko yung isa kasi naiya ako. So since mahina yung audio in this video, I'll just voice over. So I got the Spanish latte coffee, which was pretty good. Here I just showed that I would start working on my school stuff, and this is sulat ko lang naman siya. But then I got distracted because I really wanted to open the hippers, so I opened them. And I was saying that I want the one with the diaper or the brief one. Tapos ayoko lang yung sticking kasi hindi siya kita sa phone. And so this is me opening it and I'm praying to the Lord that I get what I want. It's the full one. I'm not really sure if I want it. It's kind of chunky. I haven't unboxed it. I'm not gonna say what I don't want, I'm gonna say what I want. I want either the mouse, the love here, the panda, or the lamp. I'm gonna try to sell it to my classmate because she really likes purple. I'm gonna stick it. Tinanggal ko ulit siya kasi isip ko I should buy another one. If no one's Glorieta, I buy it. I'll use this. So it's the next day and kagabi, ako yung nag-drive po and I was just so tired because I don't like driving. So it makes me tired. And I'm about to, wait, let me just open some window. I mean like blinds. I'm just gonna fix my things because I'm gonna go back to Manila now. I mean not now, later. I have to fix my things and... Oh! And I hope, kasi gusto ko talaga mag-vlog sa school. I just hope na maalala ko kasi usually pag nasa school ako, I'm so like distracted by school. Na-distract sa schoolwork. No, I mean like, na-focus ako sa schoolwork so hindi ko naalala mag-vlog. So later, I hope I can. So I can like make vlogmas for real. So I'm in the condo now and actually kanina pa ako nandito but I'm studying Kasi I already studied, okay? Pero, you know, reviewing. I'm reviewing now. Because I have a quiz later, 5:30 to 6:30. Tapos meron din 6:30 to 7:30. So I have 2 quizzes. And look at my desk, my wall. Look, it's so cute. Well, right now it looks kind of like messy. I'm gonna try like a new like layout or something. Pero look, there are my Hironos. Then Farmer Bob. Medyo malikabok na sila though. I have my Mollies. Just look guys, I don't know, I feel like hindi ko pa nababanggit to sa vlog. Pero nakita namin si Maxi, pati si Angel. Like sa Espanya, tapos pinasay namin yan. Tapos, we asked for consent though, okay? Yung isa muna lumapit sa amin, to sabi yan, can we pwede po ba magpa-picture? Sabi, yeah, sure. Tapos they were so bad. I was like, I love Angel. Tapos I got my Sony Angels. Yeah, I need to fix pa. And this is my Labubus. This is Jabolsi. And I still don't have a name for this guy. This guy too. Oh no, this guy, his name is Philippe Lay. Also guys, look, I put the Smisky hipper that I got now. It's in my phone. Hi guys, I'm here in school. Kanina pa. Guys, say hi to the vlog. We're gonna have a quiz, guys. Ay, gagi, wala akong ballpen. Can I borrow? Hello? Ano ba yan? Nasa Tapos na yung quiz namin sa isang subject.
It was so hard, guys.
Look, binigay kasi sa amin yung sagot. Sabi naman ni Sir, pwede daw. Depende daw sa kanila. Binigay. So, na-perfect naman. Hindi ko pinilit. Sino kasi naman? Ginilter. Ano yung sinabi ko nun? Hi guys, we're now buying fishball. Or should I buy cheese sticks? Parang sarap ng cheese sticks ng sauce pa. Guys, I got my fishball. Look.
Ano na official? Hi! Taga na kita dito.
Grabe naman.
Mag-trampa na tayo.
Ano to rampa virgin na
Virgin pa si...
Ay, virgin ka ba? Ako hindi na.
Sa rampa.
Anywhere. I'm already home and I'm about to eat dinner. And I got myself some milk tea. Okay, I know my blood sugar is high, but I have a reason why I ordered that. It's because I'm gonna study for a quiz tomorrow. And I think this is the only night na mag-all-nighter ako. So sabi ko, okay, ngayon lang mag-milk. This is the calm before the storm. Next week na yung finals namin, and ngayon parang mga finishing of things na lang. I forgot to vlog. Wala na akong content tuloy. Kinakain ko na siya guys. Ubus na ako. Wala, may nahulog. Kainin ko. That's the con.
Kainin ba niya kasi?
Hindi, huwag na. Pero kung walang camera, kakainin ko yun. Turn it off. Wait lang. But guys, I ate Shanghai and Siomai.
Not your usual.
Sige, anong usual ko?
Hotdog and pork chop.
Pork chop? Anong tawag doon?
Yan po ba?
Bagnet. Guys, we're gonna have our minor practicals. Tapos na yung quiz namin, bumagsak ako.
Aha! I got 14!
Kasi yun yung nilalaro niya ako. Hi, Lady Lu. Guys, yun yung bangs niya, oh. Lady Lu, pakita mo! Mag-mask ka, tapos tumawa ka, bili. Pag naka-mask siya, guys, tapos tumatawa siya, gumagano. Ano yun, no? Isang masungit nun, no? Guys, we're playing Astro Park. Not sponsored. May bomba, hindi mo nakita. Ito, Lady Lu, bomba, oh. We finished our practicals. I got 17 mistakes lang. For reviews. Hindi yung pa ako natatalo. Sa Crossy Road, guys, 322. Now we're doing our lab math. Pero tinatamad ako. But I have to. Because I'm a responsible student.
Hi vlog, I'm Sophia. Miss you guys. Do you guys miss me? 5 seconds lang daw sabi ni Renzo. I have drawn this. Bye!
Guys, alam niyo ba may chance na na-exempt ako sa major practicals?
Ikaw lang ba?
Ano bang ito ba ito? Kaya mo na yung mga magtitake, mas magaling kami sa inyo. Kasi dobling aral kami.
Excuse me, mag-aaral pa rin naman ako kasi di pa rin naman sure kung exempted ako.
Ayun.
Ginagalit no, pre.
Nakikatalitan ka.
Ayun na si Self.
Ito talaga yung may totoong self, no?
Talaga.
Guys, we're gonna do the we listen but we don't judge. Istigisa lang kami. The real factor is sabihin ko, kaya ito na lang. Pero madami akong mga masamang ginawa sa... Bili na, oh. Sino mo una? May bataya. May bataya. So ako una, tapos gumay sa akin, sunod. We listen but we don't judge. Guys, again. We listen but we don't judge. We said we listen and we don't judge.
Go!
Yes, by the way, got kicked out of our classroom. So we're roomless. And vacant namin hanggang 2 p.m. Wala tayong gagawin, di ba? Chester. May pet si Chester, oh. Walk. Walk. So now guys, we're going to the other building because it's our Gen Ed class. Wala akong dalang gamit, wala akong dalang bag. Yung camera ko lang, a phone, food, water.
YouTube. Lumabas sa FYP ko.
Look, guys, here's my beautiful shitmate.
Yes.
Shitmate.
Shit. This is... Ay. Ito yung shit. Look at that shit. Di naman ako titit, pero ano tong pinasa ko?
Ayaw niya na sa atin, pre. Guys, look what they're playing. Let's show them. Because it's free time. We're playing Water Boy and Fire Girl. Fire Boy and Water Girl. Ito ka, pre. Ayan, sige, baba mo. Hindi, ikaw bababa. Yung...